Laundry day. It's a phrase that can make even the most organized person cringe. Hauling heavy baskets, bending over countless times, the never-ending cycle of wash, dry, fold. But what if there was a better way? Introducing Laundry Jet, a revolutionary system that's transforming homes and simplifying lives. Imagine this, you finish wearing a shirt, and instead of tossing it in a hamper, it vanishes with the whoosh of a vacuum. No more laundry baskets cluttering your hallways, no more lugging clothes up and down stairs. The Laundry Jet system is an innovative solution that uses vacuum power to whisk your dirty clothes directly to your laundry room. It's like having a personal laundry assistant built right into your home. Intrigued? Let's dive deeper into the world of Laundry Jet and see how it can revolutionize your laundry routine. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key. We're all looking for ways to streamline our routines and create more time for the things we love. Laundry Jet does just that. It takes the hassle out of laundry day, giving you back precious time and energy, but the benefits go beyond just convenience. Laundry Jet also helps you maintain a tidier home. With no need for laundry baskets, your floors stay clear and your rooms feel more spacious. And because clothes are whisked away instantly, there's less chance of odors or clutter building up. The system is also incredibly versatile. It can be customized to fit homes of all shapes and sizes. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or a sprawling multi-level house, Laundry Jet can be tailored to meet your specific needs. Ready to say goodbye to laundry day drudgery? Let's explore how easy it is to install Laundry Jet in your home. Embarking on a home improvement project can feel daunting, but installing Laundry Jet is surprisingly straightforward. The key is proper planning. By carefully considering your home's layout and your specific needs, you can ensure a smooth and successful installation process. The first step is to assess your home. Walk through each room where laundry typically accumulates: bedrooms, bathrooms, perhaps even a home gym. Consider the most convenient locations for laundry ports, keeping in mind both accessibility and aesthetics. You'll want to place ports in discreet yet easily accessible areas. Next, think about the type of Laundry Jet system that best suits your home. For smaller homes or apartments, a single port system might suffice. Larger homes with multiple bedrooms and bathrooms would benefit from a multi-port system, allowing for greater flexibility and convenience. Once you have a clear vision of your ideal Laundry Jet setup, it's time to gather the necessary tools and materials. The Laundry Jet system comes with a comprehensive kit that includes everything you need for installation, from tubing and ports to the powerful vacuum unit. You'll also need some basic tools like a drill, hole saw, measuring tape, and level. Section 4. Installing your Laundry Jet, bringing convenience to life. With your planning complete and tools assembled, it's time to bring your Laundry Jet system to life. This is where the real transformation begins. Mark the precise locations for your laundry ports on the walls. Use a stud finder to avoid drilling into structural supports or wiring. Carefully create openings in the walls for the Laundry Jet tubing. Ensure the openings are large enough for the tubing. Plan the tubing route carefully, especially in multi-story homes. Install the vacuum unit, typically in the laundry room. Securely mount the vacuum unit to the wall. Connect the Laundry Jet tubing to the vacuum unit. Run the tubing from the vacuum unit to each port. Use clamps and brackets to secure the tubing. Attach the laundry ports to the openings. These ports provide a sleek interface for sending laundry. Ensure the ports are securely fastened and aligned. Section 5. Testing and fine-tuning, ensuring optimal performance. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your Laundry Jet system. Now it's time to put it through its paces and ensure everything is working flawlessly. Begin by performing a dry run. Toss a small item of clothing like a sock or washcloth into each laundry port and activate the vacuum unit. Watch as the item is whisked away through the tubing and deposited into the laundry room. Repeat this process for each port, verifying that laundry is transported smoothly and efficiently. If you encounter any issues such as items not reaching the laundry room or the system sounding strained, don't panic. Carefully inspect the tubing for any kinks, blockages, or loose connections. Ensure the vacuum unit is plugged in securely and functioning correctly. You can also adjust the vacuum suction settings if needed to optimize performance for your specific home layout and tubing length. Section 6. Maintaining your laundry jet, keeping it running smoothly. Like any appliance, your laundry jet system requires a bit of TLC to keep it running smoothly for years to come. Fortunately, maintaining this innovative system is incredibly easy. By incorporating a few simple tasks into your routine, you can ensure optimal performance and longevity. One of the most important maintenance tasks is regular cleaning. Over time, lint and debris can accumulate in the tubing, potentially causing blockages or reducing suction power. Periodically detach the tubing from the vacuum unit and use a long-handled brush or vacuum attachment to remove any buildup. Another crucial aspect of maintenance is filter replacement. The vacuum unit in your laundry jet system is equipped with a filter that traps dust and debris, preventing it from clogging the motor. Consult your owner's manual for the recommended filter replacement schedule and replace it promptly when needed. Finally, it's a good idea to perform an annual system check. This involves visually inspecting all components of your laundry jet system, including the ports, tubing, and vacuum unit. Look for any signs of wear and tear, such as cracks, loose connections, or damage. Section 7. Embrace the Easy Life Laundry Jet, your laundry solution. The laundry jet system is more than just a convenient appliance. It's a lifestyle upgrade. It's about reclaiming your time, simplifying your routine, and creating a more enjoyable home environment. Imagine the possibilities. No more laundry piles, no more lugging heavy baskets, just effortless laundry management at your fingertips. But the benefits go beyond just convenience. Laundry Jet also fosters a sense of order and calm in your home. With dirty clothes whisked away instantly, clutter is reduced and your living spaces feel more serene and inviting. And because the system is so easy to use, everyone in the family can contribute to laundry management, making it a true team effort. So why wait? Take the first step towards a simpler, more organized life and explore the possibilities of Laundry Jet. You'll be amazed at how this innovative system can transform your laundry routine and enhance your overall well-being.